Why are there not more people talking about SMART goals? Ever feel stuck? Like you're dreaming but not achieving? We've all been there. The key to unlocking your full potential? SMART goals. Think of SMART goals as your roadmap to success. They provide clarity, boost motivation, and supercharge your productivity. Welcome to Invest in You. I am Isaac, ready to ditch the someday and embrace the right now. Let's dive in. Comment below with your goals and let's achieve them together. Remember, it's not just about setting goals, but also about reflecting and adjusting them as needed. Let's make progress together. I want to be successful. But what does that really mean? Success varies from person to person. For some, it might mean climbing the corporate ladder, while for others, it could be about achieving a balanced life or pursuing a passion. The key is to get specific about what success looks like for you. Without clarity, it's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. You might chase multiple goals without making progress. Specificity is key. By defining your goals clearly, you create a roadmap that guides your actions. Specific goals give you a clear target. This helps you stay focused and measure your progress. A specific goal answers the W questions. What do you want to achieve? Why is it important? Who is involved? These questions make your goal tangible and actionable. By answering these questions, you create a vivid picture of your goal and understand the motivations behind it. This clarity can be incredibly motivating. Where will this take place? Knowing the location helps you plan more effectively. How will you get there? Outline a clear path with manageable tasks and milestones. Instead of, I want to learn a new language, try, I will learn conversational Spanish to confidently order food and ask for directions while traveling in Spain this summer. This specific goal defines what you want to achieve and provides a clear context and time frame. See the difference? By setting specific goals, you transform your dreams into actionable plans. This clarity boosts your confidence and increases your chances of success. Share your dream goals in the comments below and let's inspire each other to achieve greatness. Your journey starts now. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your goals. You've got a goal, but how will you know you're making progress? That's where Measurable steps in. Think of it like a fitness tracker for your dreams. Measurable goals use numbers, dates, or specific milestones to track your journey. Instead of, I want to lose weight, aim for, I will lose 10 pounds by eating healthier and exercising 30 minutes a day, 4 times a week, for the next 3 months. Now that's a goal you can measure. Start tracking your progress today and share your updates with us. Let's achieve our goals together. Remember, every small win is a step closer to your ultimate triumph. Celebrate each milestone and keep moving forward. Dream big, but start small. When we talk about setting goals, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of dreaming big, and while it's important to have grand visions, it's equally crucial to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Think of it like climbing a ladder. Each rung represents a small, achievable step that brings you closer to your ultimate goal. By focusing on these smaller steps, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay motivated throughout your journey. When you set achievable goals, you create a clear path forward. Each small victory builds your confidence and propels you towards the next challenge. It's like climbing a mountain. Each step you take gets you closer to the summit. Consider your resources, skills, and time. Do you have the necessary tools and resources to achieve your goal? Are your skills up to par, or do you need to invest time in learning and development? By being realistic about your current situation, you can set goals that are challenging yet attainable. Is your goal realistic given your current situation? It's important to be honest with yourself about what you can achieve. Setting a goal that's too ambitious can lead to frustration and burnout, while a goal that's too easy won't push you to grow. Find the sweet spot where your goal is challenging but achievable. If you're new to running, aiming for a marathon next week might be a recipe for burnout. Instead, start with something more manageable. Perhaps a 5K in a few months is a better starting point. This way, you can gradually build your endurance and avoid injury. Remember, it's not about how quickly you reach your goal but about making steady progress. How about I will run a 5K in 3 months by following a beginner's training plan? This approach allows you to set a realistic timeline and follow a structured plan that gradually increases your running distance and intensity. By doing so, you'll build your stamina and confidence, making it more likely that you'll achieve your goal and enjoy the process. Achievable goals stretch you without breaking you. They push you to grow and improve while keeping you motivated and focused. By setting realistic, attainable goals, you set yourself up for success and create a positive cycle of achievement and growth. So dream big, but remember to start small and celebrate each step along the way, and always be prepared to adjust your goals as you progress, ensuring they remain both challenging and achievable. Not all goals are created equal. Does your goal align with your values, passions, and long-term vision? If not, it might be time to reassess. Relevant goals light your fire. They get you excited to jump out of bed in the morning. However, it's also important to balance passion with practicality. If your dream is to become a musician, spending hours studying accounting might not be the best use of your time and energy, but having a basic understanding of finances could still be beneficial. Choose goals that resonate with your soul, but also consider the practical steps needed to achieve them. Take a moment to reflect on your why and share it with us in the comments below. Ever notice how you get more done when there's a deadline looming? That's the power of time-bound goals. A clear time frame creates urgency, combats procrastination, and helps you stay on track. Instead of "I want to write a novel," how about "I will complete the first draft of my novel by December 31st, writing for 1 hour each morning before work." Now that's a goal with a plan. Set your deadlines today and share your timelines with us in the comments below. Let's achieve our goals together. Start setting smart goals today. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. It's about taking control of your life and steering it in the direction you desire. But not just any goals will do, they need to be SMART goals. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the SMART goal framework. Remember, this isn't just a tool, it's a mindset, a way to ensure that every step you take is purposeful and directed towards your ultimate vision. Specific, crystal clear, and focused. When your goals are specific, you know exactly what you're aiming for. It's like having a detailed map that guides you to your destination. Measurable, trackable progress. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Measurable goals allow you to see your progress and stay motivated. Achievable, challenging, yet realistic. Your goals should stretch you, but they should also be attainable. This balance keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Relevant, aligned with your values. Your goals should matter to you and reflect your personal values and long-term objectives. This ensures that your efforts are meaningful. Time-bound, deadline-driven. Every goal needs a target date, a deadline to work towards. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you prioritize your tasks. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Grab a notebook, set aside some time, and start crafting your own SMART goals today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single SMART step. What will you achieve today? The possibilities are endless when you have a clear vision and a structured plan. But remember, it's also important to be flexible and adjust your goals as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes the best path forward is the one you didn't initially plan for. We want to hear from you. Share your SMART goals with us in the comments below or on social media. Let's inspire each other and achieve greatness together. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving your goals and living your best life.